Best Book Reading Light Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular book lights in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this reading light so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this book reading light. The one that made our list is the Glaucoscent LED Neck Reading Light. You can choose from 3 useful color temperature modes, which is yellow, warm white, and cool white. Each side has an independent switch for you to choose from 3 brightness levels. The USB Type-C rechargeable battery keeps this book light running up to 80 hours on general reading. With this reading light, there's no more flickering involved, and it also includes a blue light filter with advanced LED beads. Its ergonomic flexible design allows you to have optimal hands-free comfort. The special narrow beam angle of 90 degrees is bright enough to light up your desired area without disturbing anyone beside you. To check out the full specs of the Glaucoscent LED Neck Reading Light and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bookreadinglight. Here's a quick video demo of this wonderful reading light. So there you have it, the Glaucoscent LED Neck Reading Light. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this reading light is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Glaucoscent LED Neck Reading Light and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bookreadinglight. Alright, thank you for watching.